Very good morning, student. I am Asim Kumar Mandal as a science teacher representing Santipani Higher Secondary School, Rajata. Student, today I am taking the numerical section of chapter number 10, light, reflection and refraction related to mirror, related to lens. Okay, student, we know that very well. In the case of mirror, 1 by f will be equal of 1 by v plus 1 by u. What is the mean of the f? F, that means a length of principal focus. V, that means a distance of image from the pole. U, that means a distance of object from the pole. And next one, m will be equal of minus v by u. मुझे कुछ बताना है. In the case of the mirror formula, we taking the positive sign for the f, negative sign for the m. But in the case of the lens formula, जब हम lens formula करेंगे तो 1 upon f equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u, and m will be equal of v by u. सर हमको कुछ कुछ बेसिक चीजें याद होनी चाहिए before the numerical section. Mirror formula, that means a 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Lens formula, that means a 1 upon f equals to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. In the case of the mirror, m equal to minus v by u. In the case of the lens, m equal to v by u. और यहाँ पर भी कॉनकेव और कॉन्वेक्स की बात होगी. कॉनकेव में अलग कंडीशन होती है, कॉन्वेक्स में अलग कंडीशन होती है. नाउ वी टेकिंग द example number 10.3 of page number 182 NCERT. Okay, student, NCERT. First question, a concave lens. First one, concave lens. What is the meaning of the concave lens? U, V and F both are negative. Okay, student, in the case of the concave lens, U, V, F both are negative. Has focal length of 15 centimeter. Focal length will be equal of 15 centimeter. At what distance should be object from the lens be placed so that it forms an image at a 10 centimeter. ध्यान से सुनिए स्टूडेंट, कहीं ना कहीं मुझे एक बात ये बोलिए, f will be equal of 15 centimeter and image that means a v, image will be equal of 10 centimeter. Okay, student, we have to calculate at what distance should be object from the lens be placed. Okay, student, we have to calculate u. So student, in the case of the concave lens, all values should be negative. So f will be equal of minus 15, v will be equal of minus 10 and u equal to question mark. But जो u आना चाहिए वो कैसा आना चाहिए? नेगेटिव आना चाहिए. And also find the magnification. That means also we have to calculate the value of m. Okay, student, but we know that very well 1 upon f equals to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. This is a lens formula, but f will be replaced in the form of minus 15 centimeter and v will be replaced in the form of minus 10. Okay, student, ध्यान से देखिए, here v will be equal of minus 10 and u, ठीक है, u जो है अभी हमने वैसा का वैसा रखा है. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो स्टूडेंट, we have to calculate the value of u. So transform negative to positive. Here negative to positive 1 by 15. Okay, student. Now time to define the LCM. 10 into 15 will be equal of 150. Here minus 15 and here plus 10. So finally we getting plus minus minus 5, 150. Okay, student, 5 will be cancelled, 5 3s are 15. So finally we getting 1 by u equal to minus 1 by 30. By reciprocal we getting u equal to minus 30. What is the mean of the minus 30? question in the form of centimeter. So distance of object from pole will be equal of 30 centimeter. Okay, student. Now, second part of the question, we have to calculate the value of m. Second part of question, we have to calculate magnification. That means m. और m बराबर कितना होता? In the case of the lens, m equal to v by u. The value of v will be equal of minus 10 centimeter and the value of u equal to minus 30 centimeter. So finally minus minus plus 0 will be cancelled by 0. So m will be equal of 1 by 3. Okay student, 1 by 3 may be written in the form of 0.33. Okay student, I hope you getting the proper solution related to this numerical. We have find, मुझे क्या find करना था? u and m. U will be equal of minus 30 and m will be equal of 0.33. Student, now we taking the another example number 10.4 of the page number 182. A 2.0 centimeter tail object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis line of a convex lens. Most second numerical based on the concept of the convex lens. First numerical based on the concept of the concave lens. What is the basic difference between the concave lens and convex lens? In the case of the concave and convex, both in the front of mirror, that means u always negative. Okay student, मैं क्या बोलना चाहता हूँ, जब हम कॉनकेव या कॉन्वेक्स दोनों यूज करते हैं तो ऑब्जेक्ट क्या होता है इन द फ्रंट ऑफ मिरर, दैट मीन्स यू ऑलवेज नेगेटिव. बट इन द केस ऑफ द कॉनकेव मिरर वी एंड एफ ऑल्सो नेगेटिव. और कॉन्वेक्स के केस में, इन द केस ऑफ द कॉन्वेक्स, ऑब्जेक्ट इधर होता है, इमेज और फोकस इधर होती है. सो इमेज एंड फोकस एज अ पॉजिटिव. याद रखेंगे. इन द केस ऑफ द न्यूमेरिकल u v f both are negative in the case of the concave, but in the case of the convex u negative, v and f positive. First one. And always object above the principal axis line. What is the meaning of the object? Object represented by capital O. So first one student, capital O will be equal of 2.0 सेंटीमीटर. स्टूडेंट, सम स्टूडेंट यहाँ पर कंफ्यूज हो जाता है ये जीरो है कि ओ है, तो मैं ऑब्जेक्ट को h से रिप्रेजेंट कर देता हूँ. द हाइट ऑफ इमेज रिप्रेजेंट बाय h डैश. ओके स्टूडेंट, फर्स्ट लाइन, अ 2.0 centimeter tail object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis line of a convex lens. That means a positive. Okay student, 2.0 centimeter. The focal length will be equal of 10 centimeter. F will be equal of 10 centimeter. The distance of object from the lens, distance of object, that means u will be equal of 15 centimeter. Find the nature. What is the meaning of the nature? Nature, that means m will be equal of question mark. Position and size of image. Position, that means v equal to question mark, and size, that means height, h dash also a question mark. आपको क्वेश्चन समझ आ रहा है? ऑल्सो फाइंड इट्स मैग्निफिकेशन, दैट मीन्स m. अगर जो आपको नेचर बोला है, नेचर और मैग्निफिकेशन में क्या डिफरेंस होता है स्टूडेंट? जब हम m की वैल्यू निकालेंगे, फॉर एग्जांपल m विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 0, तो मुझे लिखना पड़ेगा पॉइंट साइज. m इक्वल टू 1, दैट मीन्स साइज ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट विल बी इक्वल ऑफ साइज ऑफ इमेज. तो पहले मैं m निकालूंगा और m की वैल्यू के अकॉर्डिंग उसके नेचर को जस्टिफाई करूंगा. ओके स्टूडेंट, बट in the case of convex lens, you know that very well, u always negative and f and v always positive. Okay student, ध्यान से देखिए, in the case of the convex u ऑलवेज नेगेटिव, और v और f कैसे आने चाहिए, पॉजिटिव आने चाहिए। बाय यूज ऑफ द लेंस फॉर्मूला we can say 1 upon f equals to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. The value of f will be equal of positive 10 centimeter, the value of v question mark, and the value of u इक्वल टू -15 सेंटीमीटर। देखिए स्टूडेंट, अगर जो आपको ये साइन कन्वेंशन प्रॉपर्टी नहीं पता चलेगी तो आप न्यूमेरिकल को सही नहीं कर सकते हैं। 1/10 will be equal of 1/2 minus minus plus. Okay student, finally positive convert into the form of negative. Okay student, equal to 1 upon v. By simple LCM method, 15 minus 10 equal to 1 by v, and positive negative will be equal of negative divided by 150 equal to 1 by 5 3 is 15, that means 1 by 30 equal to 1 by v. Finally 1 by v equal to 1 by 30, so value of v equal to 30. देखिए मैंने बोला था ये पॉजिटिव आना चाहिए, तो ये पॉजिटिव आया है, विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 30 सेंटीमीटर। क्वेश्चन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सेंटीमीटर, सो आंसर विल बी इक्वल ऑफ सेंटीमीटर। दिस इज अ फर्स्ट सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द क्वेश्चन। ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ m? m will be equal of v by u. You know that very well. m will be equal of v by u, and the value of v will be equal of positive 30 centimeter, and value of u will be equal of minus 15 centimeter, such that m will be equal of minus 2 centimeter. Okay student, this is a solution for the second part. Student, so m will be equal of minus 2. For the convex lens, image always real. Nature student real, and the negative sign represented inverted. So required nature will be equal of real and inverted. Last one, we have to calculate the value of h dash. Student, we know that very well, m equal to v by u, but m also equal to I by o. Okay student, I that means the height of image, and o that means the height of object. Okay student, so h dash will be equal of h. What is the mean of the h? h equal to 2 centimeter. v, the value of v will be equal of 30 centimeter, and the value of u will be equal of, where is the u? u will be equal of minus 15 centimeter. Okay student, so final h dash will be equal of minus 2 into 2, so value of image will be equal of minus 4 centimeter. The height of image equal to 4 centimeter, and negative sign represent below of principal axis line. Okay student, पूरे क्वेश्चन को एक बार रिकॉल कर देता हूँ. In the case of the convex lens, we taking the focus as a positive, u as a negative, and v as a positive. This is a compulsory situation for the convex lens. First one, by the use of the lens formula, we can write 1 upon f equals to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. Finally, we getting the value of v. Okay, student. Now, by use of the value of v and u, we getting the value of m. m equals to minus 2 centimeter. Minus, that means inverted, and convex है तो real. So nature, इसका nature कैसा हुआ स्टूडेंट? This is a nature of image. Nature, that means a real and inverted. Last one, height of image. We know that very well. M equal to v by u, and m that means I by o. I that means the height of image, and o that means the height of object. Such that we getting h dash equal to minus 4 सेंटीमीटर. मतलब कहीं ना कहीं हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? हाइट ऑफ इमेज विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 4 सेंटीमीटर. centimeter. I hope student you getting the proper solution related to second numerical. Student, now we taking the last portion of the chapter, that means a relation between the power and principal focus, that means a focal. Okay student, we know that very well. P is a equal of 1 by f, or f will be equal of 1 by p. First one student, we can say power of lens is a reciprocal of focus. Focus of lens will be a reciprocal of power. Okay student, we know that very well. The SI unit of focus will be equal of centimeter, and SI unit of power will be equal of diopter. Okay student, याद रहेगा, the SI unit of power will be equal of diopter, and the SI unit of focus will be equal of centimeter. For example, let me consider if focal length of any लेंस, मैं यहाँ पर सिर्फ लेंस बोल रहा हूँ, कॉनकेव और कॉन्वेक्स आपको एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर रहा हूँ, विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 50 सेंटीमीटर. वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द पावर ऑफ लेंस. ध्यान से देखिए स्टूडेंट, छोटा सा न्यूमेरिकल है बट एग्जाम में पूछा जा सकता है. पावर will be equal of 1 by focus, and focus will be equal of 50 centimeter. 1 divided by 50, 0.0 again 0, ठीक है. Then 2 will be equal of 100. So last result, power will be equal of 0.02 diopter. Okay student, I hope you getting the proper numericals related to chapter number 10 related to lens. Thank you so much to watching this YouTube channel of Santipani Higher Secondary School Rajada. Student, please like, share, subscribe and also study from our channel. Thank you so much.